Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Verizon International TravelPass. Before you travel, check if your destination is covered. Visit the Verizon International Trip Planner and search for the country you are visiting. Next, enable TravelPass on your account. Open the My Verizon app, sign in, go to Plans and Services, and turn on TravelPass. You can also activate it by texting travel to 4004. Wait for the confirmation message before you travel. When you arrive at your destination, turn on data roaming. On an iPhone, open Settings, tap Cellular, select Cellular Data Options, and enable data roaming. On an Android phone, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, tap Mobile Network, and switch on roaming. The menu names may vary slightly depending on your device. TravelPass activates automatically the first time you send a text, answer a call, or use mobile data. Once it starts, Verizon will send you a welcome text confirming your TravelPass session and the charges. The pass remains active for exactly 24 hours from the first use. If you continue using your phone after that period, a new 24-hour session will begin according to your plan. Thanks for watching.